I'm going to show you how to clean the new AromaTru Waterless diffuser that I've been talking about in a lot of my videos. One of the things I love about this diffuser is that you don't have to clean it very often. When you do clean it, it actually comes with its own cleaning solution that you just hook up to the atomizer heads. Okay, it says to put it in the atomizer head, manually activate the position, select and diffuse for 20 seconds, every 30 seconds for 5 minutes. All right, so I am unscrewing this bottle top and I am taking the atomizer head and I'm connecting it in. All right, and then you just need to make sure that your on button is on here, and we're going to diffuse for 20 seconds every 30 seconds for, it says 5 minutes, but 10 is the shortest you can do, so I'm just going to put it on 10 and I'm going to watch it for 5 minutes. And then you hit the power button there. And so now the cleaning solution with the isopropyl alcohol is going to clean this for 5 minutes. I'll do that to each of the atomizer heads. And then while that's going, I'm just going to wipe down the rest of the diffuser with a damp cloth according to the instructions. There shouldn't be much really to clean up. Sometimes I drip and sometimes I don't get my things screwed on quite right, so there's a little bit of things to clean up on the atomizer heads themselves. But other than that, not much maintenance to this at all, and you don't have to do this very often. If you're curious about more information about this diffuser, I have several other videos about it, and there's a link to this diffuser in my bio. It's currently on sale right now. Don't miss out on this because the sale is ending soon.